Question number 11. An ideal gas of constant mass is heated in a container of constant volume. What does it tell you? The amount of gas that is present will not escape, right? What is the reason for the increase in pressure of the gas? Why should pressure increase? Very simple. Now, what is pressure? Pressure is equal to force per unit area mechanically. You can also write pressure is equal to some constant divided by volume in gases. Average number of molecules per unit volume increases. If the number of molecules increases, that means you are creating matter, right? So you are not creating matter, you cannot create matter. So this is incorrect. By increasing the temperature, by increasing the heating, that is providing energy, you cannot create masses. Then average force per impact at the container volume increases. See, either A should decrease or F should increase to increase the pressure. So here A is not decreasing because constant volume. So therefore F should definitely increase. So average force per impact. So B is the right answer. Molecules collide with each other more frequently, which means what? Frequency is increasing. No, that does not contribute to the forces. More number of molecules can often be colliding, but that does not be increasing this one. So this is also incorrect. Molecules occupy a greater fractional volume. No, this also is not related to this. So thus B is the right answer.